I just got to the bus station to catch the bus to Dalat, Vietnam. I was up all night getting club footage. Not all night. I got 3 hours sleep, so I'm good to go. But come along with me to Dalat, and let's see what Dalat has to offer. Alright, let's go. Hello. So this is my seatmate, Tao. Going to Dalat to meet a friend. And I'm going to Dalat to meet nobody. Oh, yeah. Nice to meet someone. She speaks very good English. She's almost American. A quick bus stop on the way to Dalat. Up in the mountains a little bit. Much cooler. Feels so much better up here. Beautiful. Don't know what else to say. Nothing much around. Just the green hillsides. Well, I was gonna turn up the camera, but it's actually kind of pretty here. So let's have a look around.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
You're friendly. You're the friendly one. Hello. Say hello. Huh? No, not yet. Maybe. No. I'm trying, but no, I don't have a channel. Yeah. Your English is good. It's good English, yeah. I have a lot of questions. No answers. That's my bus driver. Hey, alright. There you go. Okay, ready to pull out. To the light, and we'll see. Alright. So hello everyone, good morning. I had some footage and video errors, so I'm going to go ahead and narrate this. So I did get to Dalat, got off the bus in Dalat, and went to my hotel. Well, I booked a room. It's called the Hobbit Bungalows in Dalat. I spent the night here, and I froze my butt off, but I'm going to do a walkthrough here for you. And last night, temperature was 50 degrees. The bungalow was 55 degrees Fahrenheit. And went to bed with jeans and 3 shirts and a blanket. It still froze my ass off. So, pretty miserable night. I'm gonna walk you through and show you what they look like. Basically, they're just wooden sheds, made of wood. Take a look where I stayed last night. Just a wood shed. Pretty hot in the day. It's already too hot to sit in there, and it's only 10 a.m. in the morning. Now they heat up fast, but boy, do they cold out. I had to sleep under my head under the covers. Couldn't even put my head out because my nose was getting breathing. So yeah, 55 degrees is nothing I had planned for Southeast Asia. I'm gonna move to a warmer hotel, so I need to get a grab bike and head on out. See if that one's any warmer tonight. So let's get checked in. You see? Okay, so just got checked in. We're going to the second floor. So it looks like we'll be on the second floor, so I have a feeling. Alright, second floor. So right out of the elevator. Oh yeah. So definitely the nicest room I've stayed in yet. So let's see here. Let's put this card in here. Yeah, very nice room. Man, I've been getting ripped off with all those other rooms. I think I paid, there wasn't much available. It's a lot of people here for some reason, but, yeah, all it's missing is a view, but nicest room by far, twice as big as the rest of them. I think $30 I paid. So $5 or $6 more than the other ones that some were nice, just very small. So let's get settled in and go out for some more adventures. Peace out. So I just rented a motorbike here in Dalat, and I'm gonna cruise the streets. Get a little video of what it's like here, and it's a very hilly city. Definitely can't walk anywhere here. So let's take a cruise on this big 125 scooter and see what the city has to show you.